For millennia, the Galactic Concord has dismissed humans as nothing more than a legend, an ancient boogeyman whispered about in hushed tones. The myths paint them as unparalleled warriors, beings of terrifying adaptability who once shook the stars with their ambition. But no concrete evidence has ever been found, leading most scholars to believe they never existed at all. Dr. Vectal, renowned xenoanthropologist, is among the staunchest skeptics. He has spent his career debunking the so-called human myth, arguing that the tales are merely exaggerated accounts of pre-Concord conflicts. His recent research expedition takes him to an uncharted planet within a long-abandoned sector, an old war zone where relics of a forgotten age remain buried under layers of dust and time. But what was meant to be a routine archaeological dig takes a horrifying turn when Vectal's team uncovers a hidden facility deep beneath the planet's surface. Inside, they find ancient technology far beyond the understanding of the known races. And at its heart, a stasis pod. The readings are impossible. The creature inside defies all known biological classifications. Its genetic code matches no species in the Galactic Concord's database, except for one entry, long dismissed as myth. The being inside is human. And it's waking up. Plot breakdown. 1. Introduction. The myth of humanity. The Galactic Concord considers humans a legend, their stories dismissed as wartime propaganda. Dr. Vectal is a leading skeptic, known for debunking the myths of humanity. His latest expedition takes him to an abandoned sector, looking for evidence of an ancient war. 2. The discovery, a nightmare unearthed. The excavation team stumbles upon a hidden underground bunker filled with unknown technology. At the center of the facility, they discover a stasis pod with a life form inside. Initial scans reveal impossibly high-energy signatures. Whoever is inside is not just alive but in perfect condition. The database matches the DNA to a legendary extinct species, Homo sapiens. 3. The awakening. Fear becomes reality. The stasis pod begins its automatic revival sequence. Panic spreads among the team. Many grew up hearing horror stories of what humans were capable of. Dr. Vectal is torn between scientific curiosity and absolute terror. The human wakes up. They are groggy, confused, and then they recognize their surroundings. 4. Revelation. The missing history. The human, identified as Commander Elias Carter, is shocked to learn how much time has passed. They reveal that humanity did not vanish. They chose to disappear. The Galactic Concord had unknowingly expanded into what used to be human territory. The truth? Humanity fought an apocalyptic war against an unknown enemy, one so devastating that they sealed themselves away, leaving the galaxy to believe they were extinct. But now, humanity might be ready to return. 5. The aftermath. The galaxy trembles. News of the humans' revival spreads. Governments panic. Theories and conspiracies explode across the galactic community. Some species fear that if one human survived, there might be more. Others question if humanity allowed themselves to be forgotten, waiting for the right time to return. Dr. Vectal, once a skeptic, now finds himself at the center of the greatest revelation in galactic history. The last scene, Carter looks at the stars and smirks. Time to see what's changed.